Good morning to all of you. I am standing here in front of you after I think a period of 2 years or so, but I am really privileged. I really find myself the most privileged person to be reading out a message from our secretary, Sir Syed Hamid. So I'll just repeat the words what he has said for you. Sir Syed Samar Hamid sir would have very much liked to be present amongst us today, but due to certain personal reasons, he could not make it. But he has sent a special message for all of you. So I'll just read it. Today is Syed Hamid Academy's Founders Day, the most important day in the school's calendar. My sincere thanks to the guest of honor, esteemed guests, respected teachers, and dearest children for their gracious presence and invaluable contribution to the Syed Hamid Academy. I am sorry I am not able to be with you to remember and celebrate our revered founder who lives on in our hearts and through his works. His is a very difficult act to follow, but his example and legacy have indeed shown us the way. Our founder had an entirely secular approach, and his sole purpose was to serve God's humanity, particularly those that were disadvantaged and deprived. He spent his whole life spreading education, imparting perennial values, building character, and bringing his countrymen together. As we honor his memory today, let's take a pledge to live up to his ideals and fulfill his ongoing vision and mission. This words by Syed Samar Hamid sir, our respected secretary, Indian Education Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. एक दो जख्म नहीं, जिस्म है सारा छली, दर्द बेचारा परेशान है, कहाँ से उठे. This poignant couplet written by Janab Syed Hamid Sahab encapsulates the profound struggles faced by him in the pursuit of justice and progress. Janab Syed Hamid Sahab devoted his life to alleviating such sufferings within the society. Janab Syed Hamid Sahab focused his attention on the education of the community to promote educational awareness among Indian Muslims. Janab Syed Hamid Sahab started the All India Taleemi Caravan in 1992. With other Muslim intellectuals and activists, he visited different parts of the country. He made a passionate appeal to Muslims to focus on education for the development of the community and for nation building. The Taleemi Caravan developed gradually into four-cornered mobile endeavor comprising 1. Literacy and education, 2. Health and hygiene, 3. Intercommunal harmony, and 4. Social reform. These caravans, which were taken ahead at considerable inconvenience, caused a stir and culminated in a countrywide awakening. As a result, a chain of schools and health centers opened in various parts of India, and people began to think of living together in harmony. ये कारवां न केवल एक यात्रा है, बल्कि हमारे सामाजिक, सांस्कृतिक और शैक्षणिक मूल्यों की पुनर्स्थापना का प्रतीक है। जनाब सैयद हामिद साहब के नेतृत्व में निकाले गए ये कारवां जो ज्ञान और जागरूकता फैलाने में सक्षम रहे, हम सबको एकजुट होकर आगे बढ़ने का संदेश देते हैं। आइए हम सभी मिलकर स्वागत करें उन छात्रों का जो आपके समूह प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं नुक्कड़ नाटक कारवां, जो जनाब सैयद हामिद साहब द्वारा संचालित कारवां को प्रदर्शित करने का प्रयास करेगा।
अब कौन बनेगा हमारी चिट्ठी? जो कहता हूँ ना, परेशान मत हो। अरे ये चिट्ठी तो भी कर सकते हो। सैयद हामिद साहब ने जगह जगह न जाने कितने शिक्षा के खोले और खुलवाए हैं। आ जाओ, पढ़ना सीखो। ठीक है बेटा, धन्यवाद। तो देखा आपने, ये हालत है हमारे देश में शिक्षा की। इसीलिए सरकार joy that I invite the students for a special Founders Day song, which is an earnest tribute to Janab Sayyid Hamid Sahab and a promise to carry on his flame of learning